we're on our way to the Isle of Wight.
Loads of goodies. Oh, it's got the stacked Monza. Hello. Look at this I've just found. Right, guys, just arrived at another viewpoint. Oh no, they're going to do it. Hi guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another video. Now today you join me at a ferry port with lots of Abarths in the background. I think it's going to be around 50 of us, and today, as part of B.A.D Abarth South Coast, of course, this amazing club me and my parents belong to. My parents are in their car, I brought mine as well. We're going on a day trip to the Isle of Wight today, so we're at the ferry terminal now. I think we should be, I was going to say taking off, I think we should be floating off around 9, and I think we're meeting some more Abarths on the island itself. Got a whole day trip planned. Well, B.A.D Abarth have got a whole day trip planned for us attendees, so I'll film what I can when I can, and should be good. B.A.D Abarth are about to take over the ferry, then we're going to take over the Isle of Wight. So we've got Sarah on B.A.D Abarth cam duties, 1, 2, 4. We've got a Honda, which is actually part of the crew today. We got Shaz, haven't seen this lot in ages actually, so it's really nice to go out again as part of the group. This is a lovely pearlescent white Abarth, which belongs to Sammy, the club's founder and family. We've got Pedro and his Competizione looking good. All the cars are looking pretty clean actually. We got the 695 Rivale. We got, I think Chris still owns it, although this might be for sale unless it's just a new owner. But we've got the convertible 595 Competizione. It's a really cool plate, nicely spaced, white with a checkered roof, which I need to get on mine. And then we've got the 595 Turismo. We've got Jono and Katie, he's representing me on the back of his Abarth. We've got the all black convertible, sporting the Monza. Then we've got my one. We got Vigo 595. Let's just go around this way a second. Nice Rolls Royce, which isn't part of the club. Then we got my parents here. We got the Scorpiano edition, and then another convertible. Kev's here. I'll have to catch up with them. Oh, we got a nice Lotus as well. Another Turismo, another yellow one, 70th edition. Here we go, Sue in the Adrenaline Green and family, I guess. Got a Punto. And then we got a Turismo, another Competizione. Yeah, and the famous SS. Stalking on the roof. So we're now on the ferry. We are on the upper level, and then we got a load of Abarths on the bottom level, and I think we're about to go. So let's go upstairs for some views, I guess. There's my parents, and there's my one. So currently on the ferry, Bad Shaz is here.
Good morning, guys.
Speaking into the muff.
Oh yeah, we're on our way to the Isle of Wight.
You've done this trip before, haven't you?
No, I haven't.
Oh, neither have I.
No. First time for both of us then.
Newbies.
Yes.
So it should be a good day.
Yeah.
And cars are cleaned, aren't they? Fueled up.
All ready.
Oil checked.
Yep. All done. All
ready
ready
to
to go.
We just got the water behind us, so good times.
Yeah, roll on.
So B.A.D Abarth have given us a really nice little goodie bag. So first of all, we've got the map of what we're doing today, different points we're stopping off at. Then we got the nice little goodie bag as well. So in here we've got a smaller version. Maybe this is the activities we're doing today, maybe. And then we can purchase these, which we have. We've got a B.A.D Abarth Isle of Wight sticker. We've also got a coaster as well. We've also got what's this? A sticker. Got a key ring. So much stuff in here. Fudges, I believe. Air freshener, B.A.D Abarth air freshener. This is really cute. Some sand in a bottle with a little note inside. And we have another sticker. So yeah, loads of goodies. So guys, just arrived at our first stop. Now we're on the island, the Isle of Wight of course, and our first stop is a cafe. So we have got baths everywhere. Hi, look, let me just give you a quick little shimmy round. Still got more baths coming in. I think we'll actually all come over here. So I'm there. I think I'm actually the only podium blue. Yes, I am. That's still the only adrenaline green one. A few yellows here though this time. Les is here in this lovely, gorgeous matte satin blue Abarth. Still think it's very cool that we have a Lotus here with us today. C is over there, and then here's all the Abarths. Just give you a quick walk down the kind of lineup. You're not going to see them all because I'm only little. I only got little arms, but you get the gist. Really cool old places is as well. I think there's only one 124 Spider, one Punto Abarth. That's nice. Now doing 3 rows of them. Blue and yellow looks really good together. And then that's the view this side. And the cafe's over with the queue. Now I've got to join the end of that. So just waiting for breakfast at the cafe. There's going to be a wait. And look at this I've just found. Really interested by this sort of stuff. Apparently an old searchlight used to sit over there. Really, really cool. So I have been to Isle of Wight before, but not for a good about 13 odd years or so. I think my parents worked out a minute ago. Forgotten how pretty it is, or I didn't realise how pretty it was. Definitely have forgotten coming here last. Even the cafe where we're having the food's like really old, and like just so many cool, because we're on the kind of coast here, there's loads of like old artifacts and cannons and stuff here. Really being a proper tourist at the moment. So let's just have a proper look at the Abarth before we leave the breakfast spot. So I really like this one with the actual more of a grey sunstrip. Haven't seen that. A lot of the baths go for the black sunstrip, but really like that. Matches the stripe. Then we've got a black one that's got red leather in, I think. Yes, it has. This is really nice. This must be the Isle of Wight lineup, by the way. Obviously, a few of these I haven't seen before. The yellow one. We've got Les's blue one. That's really nice. I do like the white. Can't beat the red and white combo, or white and red combo, shall I say. Good front splitter on that one. This is pretty cool with the Italian flag colouring on it. Yellow Brembos. Carbon fibre on the around the badge. We've got the white and black. And then we've got the Rivale. Got some of these we would have seen already on the ferry. We got the SS. Got the Adrenaline Green. They've got red leather with the convertible roof open. And then we've got Kev. And then we got the Scorpiano edition, whatever. My parents' convertible. And then we've got my one. Then on the back, all red Turismo. We got the all black convertible. Vigo. The only 124 spoiler with different alloys from standard Calibris alloys by the looks. Got bad Shaz. I'm going to say Sammy and family, they're Abarth. Pedro and his Competizione with his panoramic roof open. Another Competizione. Oh, this one's quite nice. Oh, it's got the stacked Monza. Hello. Like in the plate, Miss. All black tinted lights with the newer stacked Monza. Very cool. And different wheels. Then we got Chris and family in the comp. We got Sarah's Turismo. And then we've got another yellow Competizione. God, I miss having a yellow Abarth, that is for sure. Right guys, just arrived at another viewpoint and there is an ice cream van here, and hopefully I can get all the cars leaving and get really good driving shots of the cars leaving. I'm not doing too much I've got no GoPros with me today, just doing it all on my phone, nice casual vibes, so I can actually enjoy the event myself without having to worry about too many cameras on the go. But yeah, I'll get all the cars leaving this venue, so that should be good. So there's a few of us, including me. Cupcakes, courtesy of Sarah. And then this is where everyone else is. My parents got at the end of the convoy, but we're here now. If we can have a lick of it then, Shaz. No, oh, Sharon, that's cute. See, that's bad, Sharon. Yeah. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah. I love getting the waves. Oh, there's so many. So many. Off to see the zoo. Oh look, it's Pedro, look.
Hey!
Hello.
Have you heard that song, Pedro?
No.
Pedro song goes Pedro, 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 Pedro. A wallaby.
Oh, where's the wallaby?
Look at him, Shaz.
Where?
That at the back there. Oh, there's one asleep. Look in the corner.
Oh. Look at his little tail.
Yeah, stumpy, isn't it, for a cat?
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming back.
Oh, he's too fast for me. Hello. He's too fast.
Aww.
Can't get him.
Look at him. Oh no, they're going to do it. Oh no.
Oh no. It's getting frisky.
I took the camera away. He said, "What's all these cameras?"
What did Sharon just... Come on, girl.
Natasha is now eyeing up and working out how to find her food.
Wow.
Species of tiger. There used to be 9 and 3 are already extinct. That's a very tactical way of going there. Using her incredible claws to hold on to that pole.
Oh, she don't want to get wet.
Now that it's
Yay. Look at that. B.A.D Abarth on tour. Hello. Oh look. Wow. Last stop now of the Isle of Wight tour, and we've just made it to a pub. So convoy upon convoy today. Sun's been shining, so don't know if I fancy eating too much actually. I've had a big cooked breakfast earlier, but we'll see how it goes. Lesson to Amber, note to Amber, I should always bring a football with me because that looks rather tempting. Oh, representing Abarth South Coast.
Funny then. Send a picture to
You must have the right sauce out of all
There's
them.
not.
It's not in there.
No.
Shove it in. So guys, a few of us are booked at different ferry slot times to leave the island, I'm going to call it, because it sounds more exotic than me saying the Isle of Wight as such. But it seems like a few of the people that are going to stay later are now going to come on our ferry time back, or hope to. We are booked in for a time slot, some of the others aren't, but hopefully they can come on with us. So yeah, food came out really quickly at the pub. I didn't have too much to eat, to be honest. Didn't really film in the pub really, apart from the selection of sauces. Dad's given Sammy some drugs. I know it's a mint. So I'll see you on the ferry on the way back to base as such, and I'll probably do the outro there. But yeah, we're gonna do a bit of a convoy now, back to the ferry, back home. Look at Johnny, he bought a little souvenir, bless him, from the zoo. That's really cool there. Little lemur.
Oh look, Ken's on as well.
Yay! Get them all on. They can't see you, can they? Yeah, are they all looking up? No.
Who's driving? They're waving. Oh, they're waving, look.
Yay! Woo!
That's your job.
Yeah. They're not they're nice, aren't they, Sue? Yeah, they're nice. Oh no.
Looking. Oh, they are.
Yeah, Jono. Come on, Sue. Come on, Sue. Come on, Sue.
Sue, look up, Sue.
Oh,
they are. They are.
So guys, just on the ferry now, on the way back to base. We didn't think a few of us would get on because some people would book the later ferry, but all of us are on but 2 cars that were on a 2 later ferry to come back with us. So just got all the crew here. So yeah, on our way back to our island now, on our way back to base. And just like that, I am home. And wow, what a day. So as I say, B.A.D Abarth South Coast have put on this Isle of Wight trip day out before. It's just mine and my parents' first time going. Fact is, like, the amount of organisation and effort and like love and care that's gone into this day out today, because I know that the admin team have taken time to go to the island themselves to map out a whole route and stuff, and we had goodie bags and the maps were laminated, like not just paper, they were laminated paper, like just those silly little things. Like it's just I appreciate anyway the amount of effort that the admin team of B.A.D Abarth go to for these events. And this wasn't just an event, this was a whole day out on a completely different island where we actually all live. And as I said at the start of this video, I just kept it with my phone and my mic today. Didn't want to take loads of cameras with me, because if I get too finicky about camera angles, it ruins the actual moment for me. So I just wanted to suck in the moment, suck in the atmosphere, suck in the good vibes and just enjoy it. Beautiful place to go, Isle of Wight. I've been there a few times, I just can't really remember my trips there. But just in some of the roads we went down, like down by the coast, and driving in the Abarth, whacking it down the gears. I was driving pretty good, I think. But yeah, just such a good day out, and the place we went, but such a scenic, pretty place. Definitely want to go there again. And hopefully, I guess the next time I go will hopefully be B.A.D Abarth event, Isle of Wight in 2025. I just wanted to treasure the moment, basically not be so wrapped up in the YouTube filming, but I also was aware that I wanted to film a YouTube video out of today's event. So I know these videos don't get many views, me kind of going to the Abarth meets and such, but it's one for me to look back on and remember what a great day we had. Yeah, it was just really cool with great people, and it's just so good to be part of that club. So let me know in the comments below your favourite bit of our trip. The zoo was pretty cool. The roads were epic, but you wouldn't have seen so much of those. The cars, like seeing them behind you in a massive convoy, was also really good. But yeah, just a really, really good day out, and thanks once again to B.A.D Abarth South Coast, and I'll see you in another video, I guess. But I've definitely enjoyed the day, made a video out of it. We'll look back on it in years to come to be like, what a good day that was, and I hope you've enjoyed watching it too. So I'll see you in another one. Thanks guys, bye.